In this video, I will show you how you can charge your iPad Air. There are multiple ways that you can charge your iPad. The first method is just use the charging cable and the adapter of your iPad. Now just plug in one end of your charging cable with the adapter. Now just plug the adapter in your wall outlet and plug the other end of your charging cable to your iPad. Now this was the first method, but you can also charge your iPad using your laptop or your PC. Just grab the charging cable and plug one end of your charging cable to your laptop or to your PC. Then plug the other end of your charging cable to your iPad. And after you do that, you will see this notification pop up on the screen. Now just select Trust this computer. Now just select Allow and enter your lock screen PIN. After that, if you look at the upper right corner on the screen, you will see a lightning bolt on the battery icon in the status bar of your iPad. This lightning bolt indicates that your iPad is charging. As you can see, if I remove my iPad from charge, this lightning bolt icon will go away. If I plug in my iPad again, as you can see, my iPad is now charging. Now this is one method, but if you swipe from the left side of the screen and if you open this section, over here you will find a battery widget. And also over here, if you look closely, you will find a lightning bolt icon on this charging ring, which indicates that your iPad is charging. Now one more last thing, just make sure you use Apple's original charging cable and the 20-watt adapter to charge your iPad. If you use a third-party charger or a charger which is not supported by Apple, this can damage your iPad. So make sure you use the charging kit which is provided by Apple with your iPad Air. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.